Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma on your phone. While the full design capabilities are on desktop, the Figma mobile app is a powerful tool for reviewing and collaborating. It allows you to stay connected to your projects, offering a seamless experience for feedback and presentations. You can view designs, navigate prototypes, and leave comments, ensuring your team stays aligned even when you are away from your computer. Once logged into the Figma mobile app, you will see your recent files and projects. Simply tap on a design file to open it and begin exploring. You can easily navigate through different artboards and frames. For prototypes, tap on interactive elements to simulate user flows, just as if you were using the desktop version. Use a two-finger pinch gesture to zoom in on specific details or zoom out for an overview of your entire project. Collaboration is a key feature of Figma, and the mobile app makes it easy to provide feedback. You can add comments directly onto any part of a design by tapping and holding, then typing your message. To get a teammate's attention, use the @ symbol followed by their name. You can also review all existing comments and engage in ongoing discussions, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Once feedback is implemented, you can mark comments as resolved. It is important to remember that the Figma mobile app is designed for viewing, presenting, and commenting, not for extensive design editing. For creating new designs or making significant modifications, the desktop application remains the primary tool. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience, especially when loading large files. Regularly updating your app will also provide you with the newest features and performance enhancements, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.